How to transfer money from Cash App to bank account. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to transfer your money from your Cash App account to your bank account. So for that, just open your Cash App account, and after that just click on the profile icon from the top right, and here just scroll down and click on linked banks, and after that just tap on link debit card, and here just click on no cards from the bottom left, click on continue. And now from the list, just select the bank account in which you have an account. If you don't find your bank account in the list given below, you can go to the search bar and search for the bank account that you have an account in. And after that, just tap on that particular bank account. And once you're logged into your bank account will be linked to your Cash App account. Just come back to your home screen and click on the banking icon from the bottom. And here you will see these options like add cash and cash out. All you have to do is just enter the amount, and above that you will see the cash balance that you have in your Cash App account. So in order to transfer the money, you should have some balance in your Cash App account. As you can see that I don't have any balance in my account right now. So once you have the balance, just click on cash out, and on the next page you have to mention the amount of the funds that you want to withdraw. Then you will be able to transfer your money from your Cash App account to your bank account directly. So this is how you will be able to transfer your money from your Cash App account to your bank account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. And I'll see you the next time.